Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard science students. Today we are going to solve second practical, that is SOP2 from chapter number 5, that is server side programming with PHP language. So let us read the question first. Question is that write a PHP function to count the total number of vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U from the string accept a string by using HTML form. So here first of all we have to create a HTML form. So one HTML file should be created which contains a form using which we can accept a string from user. Then that string is to be passed to a PHP file for further processing that will count the total number of vowels in that string. Okay, so same kind of program we have already learned in JavaScript. So let us solve this practical with PHP. So first of all, let us create a HTML form. To create HTML form, open a notepad and create a HTML file. Every HTML program starts with a HTML tag. So HTML, then end of HTML. Within that add a body tag. So body and then end of body tag. Within a body, let us add a heading for this page. H1, end of H1. To have a heading at the center of the screen, use align is equal to center. Here type a meaningful heading for this page. Suppose to count vowels in string. To count vowels in string. Now within this body tag we will create a form. So to create a form, add a form tag and then end of form tag. Form tag will contain attributes, that is a action and method. So suppose method is equal to, you can use get or post. Let us use post here. Then action attribute, action is equal to, here we have to specify path of PHP file. Suppose that file is vowel.php. Now within this form we have to create a text box to accept a string. So let us first of all type a label as enter any string. Enter any string. Now in front of this we want a text box. So to create a text box, use input type is equal to text. Specify a name for this text box. Suppose that name is str. Now we have to create a button. Button should be on next line. So use here br tag and let us create a button now. So to create button, again use input type is equal to, here submit. Name is equal to, suppose submit, and using value attribute specify a label for this button, that is suppose count vowels. Count vowels. Now we have done with the creating form. So let us save this file first. Within a XAMPP folder, within that htdocs folder will be there and there will be your project location folder. So within that save this file. Suppose the name of this file is sop2.html. Now save this file. Now we have to create a PHP file to which we are passing this string, and the name of file should be vowel.php. So let us create one more file with PHP extension. PHP program starts with extension, that is PHP program starts with question mark PHP and ends with a question mark. Within this, now we have to create a function. So let us create a function. So function, type here name of function. Suppose name of function is count vowels, and here use one variable $s, that is a string. This string will be accepted from the previous form, that is HTML form. So to accept that string, we will use str. First of all, see here, user can type a string in capital letters or small letters. So first of all, let us convert that string to a small letters. To convert the string to small letters, we use string function, that is str to lower in bracket. Here use $_post in bracket. Here that string is entered within this text box, and the name of that text box is str. So here we will use str. Okay, so here use str. Now we want to pass this string to this function. So for that we have to call this function. Name of function is count v. So to call function, use a set of round brackets as like this, and to call a function, use semicolon. So first line is that to call this count v function, count vowels function, which passes one argument, and that argument is nothing but a string from HTML form, which we will get with the help of $_post in bracket str. Now here within this $s variable, we will get that string. Okay, so we have to process that string now. So for processing that string, let us declare some variables. Let us declare first variable, that is $c is equal to 0, which contains a count of vowels. First of all, its count is 0, considered as a 0. So initialize value to c as a 0. After that, we have to find out the length of this string. So for that, let us declare a variable, that is length. Length will be find out with the help of its method, that is strLength. Now the string is stored in which variable? This variable, that is $s. So use here strLength in bracket $s. Okay. Now here we have to process this string. We have to go through each and every character from the string. So for that we will use a for loop. So for $I is equal to 0. After that, $I is less than, length is stored in which variable? $length variable. So $I is less than $length, this variable will be used, and $I plus plus to increment the loop. So this is a loop which checks for the whether there is a vowel or not. So to access each and every character, we will create one variable, that is a $ch. So $ch is equal to $s in bracket $I. So of ith index value from the string s will be considered as a single character. That is, from this string we have to access each and every character, that is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3 index value, and that will be stored in the $ch variable. Now we will use a if structure to check whether that ch contains a, e, I, o or u. So ch is equal to here we have to check whether it is a small a. Here we should use a $ch. So $ch is equal to a, or $ch use or. After that, $ch is equal to capital A, then or ch is equal to, similarly we have to check for small e and capital E. So use here $ch is equal to capital E, capital E. After that again or $ch is equal to small I, or $ch is equal to capital I, or $ch is equal to small o, or $ch is equal to capital O. It is same as like we have done with JavaScript program. Only difference is that here you should use a $ch instead of only ch. Okay, so A, E, I, O, and the last one is U. So $ch is equal to small u, or $ch is equal to capital U. And now we have done with all the conditions, that is A, E, I, O and U. Now if one of these condition is true, then the count of vowels should get incremented. So here use $C++, semicolon. Then this will be continue until there is some character in the string, that is for the whole length of the string. Then after that, after finishing with this loop, we have to display the count of vowels. So for that, let us use the echo statement. So echo number of vowels in the string are. Here to concat this string, we will use a dot operator. Now the count is stored in this variable, that is $C. So use here $C. After that, semicolon. Now let us save this program with PHP extension, and the name of file should be vowel.php, because in HTML file for action attribute we have provided the name as a vowel.php. See here in the HTML file, here we have passed a name of this file as vowel.php. So type here a name as vowel.php, save this program into your project location folder, save this. Now to run this program, first of all we have to open a XAMPP control panel. From that, start Apache server, check the status, it is running. Now let us open any browser and type here localhost. So you will get a link of your project location folder. These are the different files that we have created. So sop2.html, this file we have created earlier. Let us run this file. So see here is the layout. Here you have to type any string. Suppose the string is Siley. Then click on the count vowels button. You will be redirected to vowel.php file, which will count the number of vowels. See, in that string 3 vowels are there. So it is displaying a message as number of vowels in the string are 3. Let us type any another string, as suppose good morning, and click on the count vowels button. See here how many vowels are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 vowels are there. Okay, so see here is the output that 4 vowels are there. If we will add values to this, as a suppose good morning, have a nice day. good morning, have a nice day. So let us check how many vowels are there within this string. See here 10 vowels are there. So in this way you can type here any string and you can check the how many vowels are there. See here how many vowels are there? 2. So count will be 2. So in this way we have done with the second practical of PHP. You have to note down both of these programs. See, first of all we have to run this file, HTML file. Then you will be redirected to this file vowel.php, which contains a function which calls the function. This is a function calling, okay, and this is the body of the function which will get executed after calling this function. How we access the string from HTML form? Using this $post in bracket str, and to convert this string to a lowercase we have used here str to lower function, and that converted value in lowercase is passed to the count_v function which is stored in $s, and now we use $s variable to further access and process the string. So note down this program, both of these programs, HTML program and then the PHP program, in your notebook and try to execute this practical. Thank you.